Mirar la luna, la 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 la.
Hello and welcome back again to my channel. For today's video, another crypto review. But before that guys, please subscribe to my channel. This is not a financial advice, so always do your own research because this is for entertainment only. Crypto has a risk, so always do your own research and be responsible on your funds. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, another good performing meme coin. This is the ApeCoin guys. ApeCoin has a price of 0.5 right now. From 0.55 it goes down a little bit of 4.53%. The bullish percentage of this one is 80% and the bearish is 20%. This is a good meme coin guys to be able to sustain this kind of price guys. Okay, so ApeCoin is for the Web3 economy. Culture has found new expression in Web3 through art, gaming, entertainment, and events. The possibilities for blockchain's impact on culture are so endless that they can't possibly all be predicted yet. So Ape is a token made to support what's next, controlled and built on by the community. It will serve as a decentralized protocol layer for community-led initiatives that drive culture forward into the metaverse. So the Ape Foundation is the steward of ApeCoin. It is not overseer but the base layer on which ApeCoin holders in the ApeCoin DAO can build. So the foundation facilitates decentralized and community-led governance and is designed to become more decentralized over time. It is tasked with administering the decisions of the ApeCoin, and it's responsible for day-to-day administration, bookkeeping, project management, and other tasks that ensure the DAO community ideas have to support they need to become a reality. So the governance token of this one is the ApeCoin. The community governs itself via the ApeCoin DAO, the decentralized governance framework that supports the ecosystem fund. The DAO follows a proposal process to vote on how the ecosystem fund will be distributed by the Ape Foundation to promote a diverse and self-sustaining ecosystem. So let's see the proposal here, guys. So this is the proposal of the ApeCoin. And the discussion delegate. Let's see the delegate. A delegate is someone you select to make governance decision on your behalf. So the marketplace. ApeCoin DAO has launched its official marketplace. Visit apecoinmarketplace.com. Okay, let's check this one. Okay. So they have an NFT, no? So NFT ApeCoin, 9.3 Ethereum per NFT, guys. So 9.47 Ethereum per ape, guys. Wow. This 37,000 USD per ape, guys. So other side, look at that. So this is the ApeCoin, guys. So this is the marketplace and this is the ApeCoin that uses this kind of NFT. Wow, it's very good, guys. ApeCoin is voting. Ape improvement proposal are initiated on the forum posted first and third Thursday of each month at 9 p.m. Voting lasts for 13 days. I think this ape is so this is not cheap NFT, guys. So 9.7 or $37,000 per NFT. I wonder is there there's someone buying this kind of NFT. So let's check the activity. So unpaid 39 minutes ago. So 9.3. So unpaid, paid 12. Okay, 22 hours ago. So there's an ape that has been sold on 12 Ethereum, guys. Okay. So another paid 9.46, another ape has been bid taken, guys. Okay. So 15 Ethereum, another sale. So I think this ape here is not the right price. Okay. So the proposal discussion, delegate, ApeCoin. Okay, so I think that's all about this ApeCoin, guys. If you want to learn more about this meme coin, you can just visit their Twitter and this website, guys, and the delegation. You can ask or have and delegate to this platform. Okay, so again, this is MetaChain. Bye bye.